Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? Jim here from the Pain PT. And today, as we get back to talking about the brain, you want to direct, not drift. Okay, you don't want to be drifting. Drifting is a state where you're just floating aimlessly, or you're at the whim of the ocean, let's say. Let's say you're drifting in the ocean, you're just going to be swayed and pushed by the currents and the waves and the tides. And you could just be at the whim of the ocean. And this is the same in your brain. If you're just drifting, everybody, if you're sitting back and just allowing the limbic brain to control you, you're going to be at the whim of it. You're going to be whipsawed around and taken here, taken there. And we don't want to do that. We want to direct, not drift. So when we direct the brain, we step in actively. We take a more active role in the ways I've been talking here to respond to the brain, to regulate emotions, to take action instead of inaction, to make decisions instead of indecisions, right? Action, not inaction. So we are doing these things to direct. We are directing messages to the limbic brain through self-talk. We're taking action, that's a direction. We're choosing, right? We're not leaving it up to chance, we're choosing. Okay, so in a way, I want this message to go into your brain today. If you're a drifter and you're drifting, let's not drift anymore, because you might be drifting in a direction you don't want to go. Let's take direction, let's take control, let's start to direct and respond. And like I said before, teach your own brains safety. Teach your own brains that you're okay, you're all right. There's this psychological, you can regulate emotions. That's also stepping in to do something actively, not being hijacked by your emotions, not being hijacked by your symptoms, not taking everything just at face value and drifting with it. Let's direct, let's move in a direction. It's a direction of healing. Let's direct the brain towards healing. Let's respond to the brain as well in positive ways. Move forward as well to support that and show the brain that you're safe, you're okay, and that this is just psychological. This isn't a physical symptom. It's a neuroplastic symptom. So direct, everybody, don't drift. Direct, don't drift. Reach out if you need help, and we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.